Uta is found under Arsi. We have Uta in Norma and Uta in Arsi. We have Dawe in Norma and Dawe in Arsi. We have Denu in Norma and Denu in Arsi. We have, yes, Mandoyu as well. We have Rayitu. Rayitu are in East Arsi, in East Bale. We have Karayu. Karayu in Karayu, Karayu in Borana, and Karayu in Arsi. We have Itu. Itu are found in Hararge. We have Itu here, and we have Itu in Hararge. We have Hajeji, Hajeji in Borana and Karayu. We have Wollo. Wollo in Kenya and Wollo in Ethiopia. We have Wamaji. I think you call them Waji and Asiko, right? We have Sunkena and Karayu. We have Meta and Hararge, and also Boran. We have Karara in Narsi. We have Wayole in Narsi. Rayitu in Arsi, Ilani in Siko, Arsi also, Borana in Boran, Guji in Guji, Garjed in Arsi. Now tell me, I have highlighted over 20 clans there. Are we a clan of Oromo, or this is the same Oromo which moved to Tana River those centuries? Now, because we might look Swahili to you, you will not believe us. But I hope these clans will speak volumes to you.